Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building. I have no idea what this package is, but I know, you know what I'm saying, I got a couple coming in. And you know what, who knows? Watch Gang could have sent me the Rolex just for GP. So let's check it out, see what it is, dog. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, it's the Seiko. It's the Seiko. It's the Seiko. Oh, man. Yeah. 44 millimeter. The SKS575. Oh, man. So they put them in the bag like this, though. Come on out. Come on out, baby. Come on out. There we go. Whew. It's the Seiko. Look at that baby right there, Jack. Would you look at that? Whew. Damn. Look at that. Check that out right there, man. Oh, man, that is beautiful. Look at that chronograph, 44 millimeter. It really don't look that big, though. Oh, okay. The bezel don't rotate, but it's all good. It looked like it did, though. Stainless steel. 100 meters of water resistance. Yeah. Yeah, that is hot. I like the way that dial looks with that blue in there. Yo. That's it right there, baby. Bling, bling, bling. See that? Dang. I was not expecting this so soon. Yo. Stainless steel. Of course, movement, of course. Man. Seiko was the shit. Man, yeah, that is nice. That is super nice. Thickness. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and try this on the wrist right quick. You know what I mean? Look at that yellow dial. I mean a yellow second hand. That is hot. You know what? This would look nice on the NATO strap, bro. It would look nice. Extra nice. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out on the wrist. Take off this what I'm rocking right now, this Michael Kors. You know. Get back with y'all in a second. There it is. Woo, look at that. That yellow is just spectacular on there. This is the Seiko SKS575. Look at that. Woo. Look at that baby right there. That is it, player. Like that. Like that. You understand? Watch lovers. Where the hell y'all at? This is it. Holla at your boy P. Ross. And we out.